Hi everyone, today with me I have the Lefant and this is their all-in-one robot cleaner. Now this thing vacuums and mops and it is absolutely incredible. So we're going to break down everything you're going to receive, how to quickly set it up and connect it to the app. Let's first break down exactly what you're going to receive. So right here we have the robot vacuum cleaner along with the docking station and the adapter to charge it. You're also going to have a couple side brushes, the filter and disposable dry mops along with this one as well. This is all incredible and I can't wait to set it up, so let's get started. Right here you can see that there's going to be an instruction on quick start and to start cleaning. Super easy to understand, and they even present you the three most important buttons on this device. The first one is fixed point mode, which will clean a small concentrated mess and then go around it. The start and pause button and the return and charge. When you press this one, it will return to its base and charge up. Absolutely incredible. So let's get started putting it all together. So I've gone ahead and attached the little brushes on the side. They send you a total of 4, so you have 2 replacement ones. And I also slid in this mop pad right here. This is the bottom of it. It has so many wheels to move around correctly, and it is absolutely important for you to tidy up the room so it doesn't go over anything important. You want to take toys and cables from out of its reach to make sure it gets to cleaning correctly. Now let's take a look at the water tank and how to set it up, connecting it to the phone. My docking station is connected and ready to go, but before we put this on and let it charge, I want to show you 2 things. The first is right here at the bottom of your robot vacuum cleaner is the water tank. So you want to press down and pull it all the way out, and here it is. I even give you some tips, and it has a place to open it up and fill with water. The second thing I want to show you is the on and off button. Here it is. If it's not on, it will not charge. So you want to make sure it's on, and you can only turn it off if you're truly not going to use it, so make sure you keep that in mind. Now let's put it all together and finally connect to the app. My device told me it is ready to connect, and I here have the app on my phone, so I'm going to set it up, including all my email information, a password, and finalize it, and finally show you guys how to connect.
Welcome to use the Lefant Robot Vacuum. Please scan the body QR code, download the correct app, and connect to internet to get a better experience.
Alright you guys, you heard him. It's time to connect. So I have my app on here and I'm going to input all my information and show you guys the final product. Registering was super easy. All I had to get is my phone number, send me a code, and I'm ready to connect and add a device. So we're going to create a home and connect to my Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. Now that I selected my device, it's going to ask me to connect to my Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go ahead and input the password for that as well. Now it's just giving me a couple of instructions to turn it on, to make sure I heard the message, and I can go ahead and go to the next step. It will now ask me to hold the start/pause button for 3 seconds and release it after I hear guidance.
Please connect to the wireless network according the instructions to the mobile app.
Perfect, the light is flashing, so it's ready to connect. I have heard the voice guidance and saw the Wi-Fi light, so I can go ahead to the next step. It is now asking me to connect to hotspot, and I'm going to go ahead and do that as well. Now that all the steps are done, they are pairing, so I'm going to let it connect and come back when it's done. Now that it's successfully connected, it's time to give it a name, and I've decided on Echo, so I'm going to place that in and put it into service. Now that it's paired and I gave it a name, I can see so many different functions through the app. I can see whether it's charging, to put it to clean, to recharge, and there's so many different functions. For example, let's say you lost your robot and you can't find it. You can click on Find Robot and listen to this.
Master, I am here.
That is super cool. I definitely recommend you guys check out this product. I put it to the test on my dirty living room floors after construction, and it mopped beautifully. It is absolutely incredible, and I definitely recommend you guys get yourself one. It is an amazing product and a definite must-have to clean up any dirty floors. Check it out.